Civilized nation, Richard Brown films. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Mama cry, when you gonna get it right? Oh, Candy. She say, one thing she said, the bells are gonna work. It a gonna help you fit do your homework. You see that little boy named Chucky, feeling friendship really not work. Big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy, playing with his drugs, everything seems alright. Hey, just the other day, police start checking pon the lane. Hey, what's that boy preaching? The words not reaching. Now go for your church, boss. Not a Bout you a check for me, sister. No, one go check your prime minister. Make him fix all the system, a twister. But you are part of the system, what we fix up. Hey, step away. Oh, step away. Whoa. Oh, big boy, I gotta be a big boy. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy, oh, Candy.
Wake up! Look for your dirty socks. Where they do on the bed? You're not even bed. Get up! Get up, you're too nasty. Wait, hold on there. What is in your hand? No, hold up. What me hand, let me see it. Bun and cheese. So you name and so you sleep and so you wake and so you eat. Get up. Let it go. Get up. How much time if you want about the big old dirty chuck and car where you want to call it, pan bed? Why you sleep with something them pan the bed? The dirty chuck them where you have outside. Pan road and all about a people yard. Get up. You're big and crave now. What? Take them up. Take them up. You're too out of that. Take them up. You're fit choke. Take them up. Take them up. Straighten up your bed. You're out of now. You're just a name. What make you out of that, so? What make you a name so big boy? You come fi brought me down. You come fi brought me down. And that you come fi do. Get up. Watch it. No watch her now. Look here. No look here now. Watch her. Tell me now. Then a big old dirty boot there. Front in our. And you take yourself gone in your bed and don't be it. Get up. Get up. Get up and fight. Let it go. Let it go. Get up. Take up your truck them and get up. Get up. Get up. You're too out of that. Come out. Go bed. One go bed. Come out. One go bed. Take up your shoes then. Come on. Go. Go bed. Come on. And go brush your dirty mouth. Watch you. Out of that now. to you. I want to talk to you.
All right, may I come? Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
I come to talk to you about the money. I know you wait long enough. But I ask you to give me some more time.
Pan the time when me get ready, Candy. Candy, if you end up pay me little, I'll know you that don't pay me no Candy. Remember say, I feel me own money me take and carry the pitney go to hospital. And carry the pitney go to doctor.
Well,
And you say you're going to get partner money, so I'll know you're not get it yet.
alright, listen to me now. Me sorry. 1,000,000 times I tell you sorry to wait so long. You wait long, you overweight, me understand. But you have to understand too. You know the money thing come down already. This moment you have one little change, but you know you have other important things to do. And you know me have big boy down there. He crave me have to give him something. Me can't have only $100 in my name and come here. But me still have it in mind to give you back your money.
Yes, but remember, me have light bill, water bill, and me internet to pay for.
Then Cheryl, you no know say me have light bill and water bill
So you never
and
tell your
internet.
pitney saying if you go broke, if you go fast with people pitney.
So wait there,
You never tell your
Cheryl.
pitney that.
So when pitney left go broke, other parents pitney on. Are for them parents send them to go broke? Me not understand you.
Look here, man. Me wait long enough for me money now. Long time me a wait.
Cheryl, me not come for in no argument.
Me no
with you.
in no argument.
Me come
but
for ask if you give me some more time until me get the money. Me come give it to you. Me sorry say your son and I'm a matter of fact you talk about this and chat about that. Come to think of it, where black boy there? A long time me not see him.
Look here, nobody buy out the argument.
Me not buy out the argument. Me dey ask to see him.
Father.
Ghana father.
Ghana father. Yes.
Oh, fine, all right. Hold the hand.
Well, it'll take your time and come on.
Me have fit me to and me understand how you feel because you want the money.
Yes.
Anyway, you know, say, me would really love to take black boy and me can't carry him to my personal doctor because me just want to know say and set back good and alright. Because every doctor work good for people and then charge them 1 for money. You know so much money they charge you? Me hardly can find the rest to come give you because I know me give you half already. You understand? So, just carry him come man and make me carry him go to my doctor.
As me tell you, say, in hand a command good. So you don't have to go waste no money to go carry him go doctor. That the money the way you go waste to go carry him go doctor, you would have just give me it.
Cheryl, the doctor where you carry him go, you know? Me no know about that, the doctor they know, but see me doctor, him a gynecologist, a matter of fact, him a bone specialist, he can do anything for your body.
But me still don't know nothing here, nothing about for your doctor neither.
No,
you don't know nothing about
me
for me, and me don't know
understand,
nothing
but
about
my doctor have experience in all kind of things. He know about the body parts them. Some would have love to make sure say your son and come back perfect like how he did say before. Me no want to have no deform hand sake of my son. Me just want to make sure say alright.
When me tell you say, me not tell you say hand alright.
Alright then.
Me
If
tell you say hand alright, right? And alright. So
Okay.
just leave it at that. Say,
Alright.
the only thing you do is the money where you owe me, you just pay me that.
Cheryl.
Right. Just that. Where you want to go again and go
Cheryl,
take
me
up
talk to you.
other
Nobody
expense,
quarrel.
but
Me no come for no quarrel.
Me not quarrel. But
Cheryl,
me
just
a
make we
say.
talk like two big man.
But we not. We
We have
like
with children them. Me talk to you, man. I could have your son broke my son hand, you know, and me wouldn't behave like how you are going, you know.
But I consider it. Me consider it.
How consider it?
Because look here.
You consider it in our.
Look here.
To you they go and come like you want me go thief money come give you and me tell you say when me get the money.
Yandy,
I'm a
you
talk fact.
want to take up other things.
Cheryl.
Look here. You owe me
Mhm.
and you not pay me. And you go take up more expense for yourself. You go carry black boy.
No, I'm a personal doctor. Me can pay him when me have the money. Me not have the money exact right now. I'm a personal doctor that.
Well,
Me
here
know
what
me and
happen.
my doctor go together when me go. Me can just make him start me out and then me go back go pay him. So me want him start out your son.
Well, as me tell you already, in hand, all right.
Lord Jesus.
The hand come on. So, you don't have to go and go spend. Whether you go pay it now
Cheryl,
or
all right, done the story.
that
Let me tell you
the
something.
money
Me
they
not have
spend
no
it.
money
It don't
more than
necessary.
$5,000. Listen what me I say now. All right, you say your son and all right. Me just want to know saying all right. Because you know
Right,
say I
so
want
when
you
you go
little.
round and I come round and I go round and I come round.
Me not go round and come round. Me
just leave it at
as
that.
a mother, To a son, me just want to know say your child alright.
Well,
Because my son
alright.
too and good. You understand me?
Alright.
Me not have no money for
Thank you
your
for your
Cheryl.
consideration.
Yes. That you should have said from the beginning. Me not have no money. I want little money me have. You understand? When me did I go take you now, fi go buy something for big boy. Because me know saying always hungry. $5,000 me have. And he come like I say, I hit you want me fi take give you.
But if you end up
Me not have no other money.
But as me tell you say, if you end up pay me little, you that don't pay me.
Cheryl.
Now you got to take up $5,000 to go buy just snacks for big boy.
Cheryl, you know see your big boy big. You used to come down and me yard and you see your name, you know. And a little bit of food that the boy then me have to take care of him and me alone and God, you know.
Curving belly.
Cheryl, you're not going to make sure say you got enough right here, so you're not going to allow your son or any picnic where you have to go next door, go beg food. You better you provide yourself as long as you can provide it.
But you have to learn, everything you ask, you have to give. Every time you come to your food,
No, everything when you ask me give him, when me have and he ask me feed me, have to give him, because I rather give my picnic when me have more than he go beg people.
That is true, but sometimes you give them food and then take it away, see. Me have one little grand one and when he ready,
Cheryl, you know say some men they go.
And when he come and he ask me for juice and me give him food, what you thinking though? When me back turn, he squeeze out you and take you and dash you away. Cause
you understand, that are just kids.
Right.
But listen what me I say now. You see if you cut long story short.
And he still don't want it.
Cheryl, me can't take a long argument. This money thing we are asking for every time I stress me out. So me not go bother buy this something them for big boy. Me will figure out something for him to eat later, somewhere from somehow or whatever. God will provide.
The
last money when me have, Cheryl, the last money me have, you know.
You're lucky
You see where big boy put me in?
I don't have none at all.
You see where big boy put me in? The last $5,000 me have to go buy food, give him now to eat, me have to go take it here. But everything good, man. Let me tell you something. Father God has me hold up the last money when me have and I'm going to give Cheryl because she say my son broke for her son hand. Father God, me ask if you deal with this situation to me because I don't understand what I go on. Remember, say me give you half already and this is $5,000 more. Take it.
Thank you and God bless you for giving me.
So Cheryl, I can grab your money out of me and like your vex. You did want more than that, and when me have me give you know? You
see this you have, so me take it.
Anyway.
But if I'm more than this you have and you only decide, God will decide your fate.
You know what, some we can't earn if you call God's name? Because some we too wicked. Take it and go on with it.
God go with you, me dear.
May God go with you.
All the while.
I mean, just give it and it's done already.
Yes?
How do you look so confused?
No, the woman Candy who owe me money from how long?
Like a she?
Mm-hmm. See how she just pass out a gate down there, so.
So was she really not pay you yet?
I want to look at some change she can't come give me, you know.
Oh, like half eight?
Not even half of what she owe me.
This not funny?
No. Me I tell you, man, me say the woman put me out of my way, you know.
She say you're vexed because I don't normally see them mood there.
All right. How long the woman owe me? And me say, all right, then the woman call me. So me say, all right, then and the rest of the money the woman can come give me. The man just care one look at some change, come give me and I tell me, say, me figure her more time.
And one more time, them wants up on this earth, you know?
Then here the woman go tell me now, say, after she no have the other rest of money to pay me, you know, she go tell me now, say she want to carry black boy, go after her doctor. But you know why she carry black boy down on doctor? Because no really the black boy hand. Black boy hand no broke. He not broke. I told me want the money, so me just tell her.
Easy at that.
Girl.
You're not easy.
Yes, me there, me no money. And she have money, I make her a big house.
So
if me can't get one little money for her, me not take it.
She'll charge them more.
Okay. Me can give her all the doctor certificate or whatever.
In these days, I think how to survive.
I say go me girl.
Say no cook no food. Hungry enough.
Little more me cook man, little more, cause me never know say you that come.
Okay.
But as me tell you say in hand never broke. And but true me want the money.
Yeah, me
So me just
understand.
tell her say yes. In hand broke. If you collect the money from her. So
You're
me get
smart.
one little piece of her money.
Yeah, my mother, you're smart, but
Yes.
to me, I say money run still in all the time. I come down, I come want a little piece of it because me broke.
So that what make you come down here.
Part tight.
So you not really come to look for me then?
Of course, I must go look for you. I long to see you, mommy. I want you.
Okay. All right, yes, girl. Yeah, man. Anytime you're ready, man. Me go give you a piece of the money.
Alright.
But that's just between me and you and Black Boy.
Then I must say, I tell you to take time to talk.
Right, just between the three of we. Right?
You know, right now, I new lace week, so I have to go make up and buy one.
Yeah, man. You will get the money if you do that, man.
Now put on my back, because the bag is heavy, no, mommy.
Yes, all right.
Oi!
Come here, man. Long time I not see you.
May I come there? What going on now? Open and no mix up your call me if you come put me in there, you know.
None of that. But you still tan good, you know, girl.
I grace I got a shine for me. Where you say now?
I said, I'm some little call you ask how we are deal a long time I not see you.
Long time I not see you too, but you look good, you know.
Why you trade even know? But me I live.
A long time I not see you. And I know say anytime you see me and call me, something you have to tell me. Where you going with?
Now go on with nothing, so I just a big you up. Me ever have to tell you mix up and you love people business, I go on like you don't love it too.
How for one woman yard up there somebody come from named Cheryl. My son big boy broke fear son hand. And put me in a one piece of problem.
So I know what they spit me.
Then I don't know what. The woman tell me say the doctor charge her 150,000. And you know so me give woman half my money already. And she don't stop nag me go, nag me come, nag me go, nag me come for the rest of money. Oh, her son hand broke and her son in a pain. She go a doctor a million times. God know what's
So
going on. But I don't know, me in a one little partner. I can't take it no more, you know. I can't take problem in a big. Me have you up to yasso. I can't take it no more. Big boy put me in too much trouble. Every minute, big boy. I feel me name at the head. At the list on this alien. This is a community. Anytime you come in and ask the big boy, they know.
So your holy boy go down.
The little boy, he bad like a years. I don't know what to do with him. Police soon come lock me up. You don't know, say, I up a woman yard me they come from. Because the woman not tap nag me for the rest of the money. Me just come from them and tell her how when me get the rest, me will give it to her. It look like the woman want to beat me up. The way she dey talk to me. She don't have no conscience. And she knows that anyone me did have the mother give her the rest of money when me have for her. You know, say me have $15,000. $15,000 where God bless me with in my name. If you go buy big boy food, because big boy I want crib. Take time to talk because when you see me they chat to nobody and always they cocking ears. You know they look fast with me. Big boy. Nyam. You know nyam like this. When me say big boy nyam, that mean big boy when nyam have one whole pot of food. How much big old dumpling me have to cook the one little boy. A big him body big you know. A big him body big, you know, not even reach.
You have to roll him and stretch him and
Not
set
even
him
reach 12-year-old yet the boy then nyam more than me.
Roll him and stretch him and set him straight. You know tap beat pitney? You know tap beat pitney?
You don't understand. When he come on to me and big boy and lick him big boy, make the community tell you. Me not have to tell you. So when you talk about licking and big boy, me lick him till me weak. Lick not have nothing to do with him.
Time on a tree.
Me punish him, me lick him. I don't know if he do. The only thing less me do is send him a cops.
Time on a tree.
You know say me not no sense though. Me a one idiot mother then. You know say me and me one daughter. And me take my daughter and send him a cops to one something she do. One something she do, you know. Me send my daughter a cops. And look how much things big boy they do. And he out here scotch free. Me a idiot, don't. Me a your friend man, but if you tell me the truth, me a real idiot.
Fool.
Look how big boy they give me trouble. Why me can't send big boy go cops and go for me daughter make she come back down here?
And if you tie big boy up on the bedpost and then sit there like way back then.
And then this woman when named Sherry and nag me feet. She knows if me did have the rest me give her, you know. The partner when me did in her, you know. You know say the partner done? Me send big boy for me draw. Big boy get the partner draw. And big boy tell me, me know say big boy a liar, you know.
You sure say big boy not teaching money?
No, listen. Big boy a liar, but me know when he tell me lie. Him say he use some of the money and put back down some. And me believe him. He can't lie so. One pitney can't lie so.
So why you live?
Me believe him, but me no. Big boy know say me believe him say he use some and left some, you know.
Why you live?
Me make him know say. Me make him have in her head say. He use her for all her money.
Candy, why you live?
Me and my son, big boy, want me to live.
If big boy no move, somebody will come there.
No, listen how it go. You feel listen to this story, man. Big boy go for the money. Me when they go somewhere. And me send big boy for the partner money from the lady. The woman give her pick-me or her grandchild, me no know. One of them, the money for give my son, big boy. Big boy say, he collect the money. But he use some and put on some where the rest, it cannot be found. Me no know which party there. Now the woman when me owe the money, him pick me broken.
You know
I don't have it to give her
everything
back.
can just straight.
The money, miss.
Candy, let me tell you how to straight need no candy.
What you mean?
You see anything, anytime anything miss up off me yard.
Mm.
Anytime nothing go bad up off me yard.
Mm.
You see me mother fly out for 1 2 weeks.
I wish part you go. What you mean fly out?
80.
80?
80 she
I
go.
lie.
If you got 80.
I wish you go over there go do.
When she go 80, you know, financial problem fixed. Car, house, land. My mother not short of nothing.
I lie.
Teeth, nothing for my mother. So you see, if you follow my mother, I go 80, we can lend her all the money now because we thinking rich with money now.
What you say?
You go there. Anybody take your find out who take your money and who are working in your life. If now look at somebody do big boy, because I'm convinced him mad to you talk to me. That child is mad.
What you say? My son big boy.
Maybe you mad, Candy.
No. No. Come on now. Me they talk about money when miss na me yard and you come tell me say they put it on my son to me son mad.
Behave a certain way,
What you say me son mad? No, me and your friend long time and a long time I don't see you. Me glad to see you girl, but you see when he come on to see me son, nobody with it. Please me they beg you in the name of Jesus. Don't put your mouth on me son. Me pick me right it and he have sense. Not do it. Don't do it. He might bad like a yard, but my son do not mad. Don't do it.
Oh.
My son conscious. Little girl, you know my son educated. My son can spell cornflakes and Mississippi. And me give you one secret. You don't know so one day me I teach my son to read. And my son I can't tell me about me must spell it Mississippi. Don't tell nobody. You know so me can't spell it. And my son brighter than me. He come first in 9 class. My son come first.
So that means I'm not gonna do him.
Nothing to do my son in collective. Everything I go good up here. So my son a can't turn doctor. You can't come tell me say my son mad. You out of order. We are talking about the money you can't hear till they can't chat about my son mad. My son bright. My son is the brightest one in a film class. Not do it. When my son go in a class, the whole of film thinks them okay and alright. Just when he come home and me looking at him book clean like a whistle. When my son go in a class, teacher has to send him out back. The way how him bright.
You know, writing to him bright.
I be effing get. I bright is me. So no rank with me son.
I not lie, like mother like that. Because you're bright, you know, because right now to where you talk, you're bright. Like mother like son.
No.
Yeah. Mother like son.
When he come on to bright, takes me out of it.
No,
but
man,
my
you're
son
bright
is
too.
going to become a doctor.
You're bright.
So my son has studied doctorate.
Yeah, man.
Deal with me son, so.
Shalama.
Finish,
Yeah,
son
Shalama.
is going to be a doctor. You see when you get old, and my son maybe have to come take care of you and give you injection. Don't
Me
play
can't
with
get
me.
all. I may tell you say the 80 man good. You need to go over there and go get the link.
Come back about the 80s story. See how you come chat about my son, mad. Girl, me ready to go. You lend me money?
Yeah. Can't give a piece of fool.
Then how much fee playing tickets to go there? So can me never go there so yet.
This one a dear in a candy. You want? I'm going to lend you 100,000.
100,000?
I bet so when you come back in the list.
So how much for the ticket?
$1 million.
How much for the
You can
ticket?
cover everything. for
Like
the
the 100,000 can?
Yes.
Buy me one ticket to go and come back?
Yes.
Return ticket?
And pay the man, because you have to pay the man $300.
$300?
$300.
I lie.
And when you pay the man, everything good. That the man, they go work miracles in less than 2 weeks, you come back, you reach. When you don't have to give me 100,000, you come back, you can give me all 3. I have change left. So me lend you 100.
So me I go reach when me go there?
200.
Me I go?
Yes.
A true?
Yes.
Me ready. Lend me the money. When you can give me?
Yeah, well, you go dry money in the machine.
Oh.
Me will link you back right to your yard and give it.
So me can go at 80. You say me we get through and me we know who got me money.
Yeah.
And me we know if I lie me son they tell.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something, you know. Me tell you already, you know, but me don't want you to sit down and susu and chat your mouth in and make me son here, you know. Me believe me son say some of my money in take, you know, and put down some and somebody take the rest, you know. Because you know say the day when me they go, fire the day and me yard at work. Juta the day and me yard at work. Yes. And then when me come back and miss the money, then say Shakaberry go straight in my house. So me no know who thief the money. That's why me agree with you if you go at 80, if you go find out which one of them take the money, me no know who take it.
Don't worry yourself. When you go here the deal, me I lend you 100 and you come back in less than 2 weeks, you go pay me 200 because you go rich.
So me I go give you
You
300.
go fully load, yes.
Alright, no
You
problem.
go fully loaded.
So if me no rich, me not get 300,000, you know.
Ask that.
I only the 100,000 me I give you back.
Ask.
Alright.
Rich.
Me need to go nowhere no me yard me I go.
Yeah, man.
So guess what? We will talk.
We
And
really
thanks. Make sure you call me, you know. Because I'm ready to go.
Walk with you
Me
to
have to
out
get
the
back the
road,
money.
me I go. You go charge the money right now, right
The
out the
woman
road.
up there, so I will want to give her back the rest of money
Yeah,
where
man.
we work. And I can't take care of her. You know, every day she a nag, on me face like an idiot. Please, you hear?
Yeah, man.
All right.